Integrating Calendly with your Shopify store allows customers to easily schedule appointments or consultations directly to your site. Here's how to add Calendly to Shopify. Get your Calendly embed code. Log into your Calendly account and navigate to the event tab you want to share. Click on Share and then select Add to Website. Choose either the inline embed option for a visible calendar on the page, the pop-up widget for a button that opens a scheduling pop-up, or the pop-up text for a clickable link. Copy the provided HTML code. Log into Shopify. Access your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the online store section. Edit your theme. Click on Themes and then customize next to the theme you want to edit. Add custom code. In the theme editor, locate the section where you want to add Calendly. Use the Add Section button and select Custom HTML. Paste the Calendly embed code into this section. Save changes. Click Save to apply your changes. Test the integration. Visit your Shopify store as a customer to ensure that the Calendly widget or button functions correctly.